guys! Today I think it's the first day of Chinese New Year. So Jacob already headed to Chinatown to walk around, and I'm taking my time to get ready because I love slow mornings. I've decided to clean up my apartment a little bit. I already done my makeup, my favorite natural to no makeup kind of look. I want to clean up a little bit, get ready. I want to head to Chinatown as well. It's supposed to be a fun celebration, and also I've been craving a lot of Asian food lately, so I'm hoping to get some maybe pho or dumplings. Even though it's not really sunny, but today's supposed to be a really warm day, about 60 degrees. And honestly, I don't even know what to wear. All my semi-warm clothes, it's somewhere hidden in the closet, and all I have, it's mostly sweaters. I'm gonna try to find something cool. I have like bunch of cool cargo jeans. They somewhere in my luggage, I think, because I was mostly wearing them during the summertime. So that's the only jeans that I just found in my closet right there. I really love the color. It's like kind of washed and it's a straight leg jeans. Kind of thinking about going with this bomber or my leather crop jacket, but since I've been wearing my leather jacket like a lot, I miss this bomber. So now I have to choose between those Nikes, Dior, or Balance, which I'm obsessed with. Probably I go with the New Balance since it's more like a grayish, like a whole total gray outfit.
Hello.
Hi.
Want some poppers?
What is it?
They're poppers.
Oh my god. Two.
Chinese New Year colors.
Chinese New Year color. Wait. Ooh. Is it fireworks or no?
They're kind of like a firework, yeah.
But what are they made of?
They're made of like gunpowder,
Oh.
but like very small amounts of like flammable gunpowder-ish material.
They're starting with red. Woo! Look at this place. It's a tea room, I think. Tea house, and there's a lot of people waiting in line. Look at this line. It goes all the way there. We have to come back when it's not New Year.
Really good. We should come here when it's not Chinese New Year.
О май гад, посмотрите, как красиво. What? No problem.
I learn in Russian?
What do you know in Russian?
Я надо... I'm like put on the spot here.
Oh, come on.
Я хочу... Ты хочешь... Идешь в магазин? Ты хочешь пойти в магазин?
What else?
Медведь, утку.
Yes.
Да. Что ты делаешь сегодня? Что ты делаешь завтра?
Okay.
Можно есть...
Можно есть суп, пожалуйста?
Можно есть суп, пожалуйста.
Well, nobody says that.
Bowl of
Really.
soup.
Можно мне bowl of soup?
Можно мне bowl of soup.
Well, that's not Russian. Say it again.
Можно мне чашка
Чашка soup.
Чашка суп.
Okay, say we are going to the coffee shop.
Мы идем в кафе. Maybe like cheap
Whipped cream, marshmallow, burnt marshmallow. How is it? Nyam nyam.
We have been tumbling around each other for quite a time. When you were coming around, I didn't feel like
Forever Gossip Girl.
I said, do you think it'd be less or more weird if Chuck ended up being Gossip Girl instead of Dan?
I think it would be very unusual and surprising because Dan at least a writer, so it kind of makes sense for him to be a Gossip Girl because he writes and Gossip Girl writes. But Chuck, he's a businessman. Plus,
Right,
Chuck's
this man know how to sell things.
well, Chuck's personality is not really
Do you
like,
think Dan's a good marketer?
yeah.
Do you think he has marketing ability?
Well, Dan, he's like your this type of guy who's like can be your girlfriend and a guy friend at the same time. And I can't just imagine Chuck to be this way. How many episodes you watched? How many seasons you watched?
I think I watched the first 4 and then the final season. I missed
4 seasons? I thought you watched only 2 or something.
No.
we have been tumbling around each other for quite a time. When you were coming around, I didn't feel like we tried. Your heart was shining, so was I. Found my weakness shine. As time went by, we walked the line. You made us so insane. Da, 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 da. I feel like you wanna taste the tickles of
Красивый зал, смотрите, какая красота. Следуем за Джейкобом. love Grand Central a lot, partially because of Gossip Girl, and there is my favorite bar, Campbell's Apartment, which was featured in Gossip Girl as well. But it's really cozy and like cool bar with a dim light and craft cocktails. I just got back home and I picked up all my deliveries, all my packages. Kind of wanted to show you what I got, so I kind of want to share all my new things that I'm excited about. First thing that I got is this mushroom blend. To your gut, it helps to you lose some weight, because some people apparently can lose weight because of the gut issues, and it also helps you with like healthy skin, energy and stuff. 10 mushroom spices, including ashwagandha extract. So this one is only 10 calories. You can add to your coffee or smoothie, and I read that people who add it to their coffee, it's actually, the taste is really great, like kind of creamy. The other thing that I just got, it's Korean brand, and it also has a lot of good reviews. So I've been lately obsessed with pomegranate seeds. I just got it from Trader Joe. Pomegranate is apparently really good for your skin, helps your skin to hydrate and shine and glow. Also, there is a lot of collagen in this thing. So apparently this thing is better than other regular collagen because it's only 300 DA, which is molecules of collagen. Lower the number, the easiest your body to absorb. This is package for my candle hobby slash business slash whatever. I love doing candles, and I just got this box with a lot of different essential oils for the different smells. I bought small jars so I can try all of them and decided which one I like the most.